Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a CFMOTO 650NK and I'm going to be showing you where the VIN number and the engine serial number is on the bike. Now this is a 2022 model and I know that because I have decoded the VIN number and I'll tell you about that just in a second. So let's take a look at the VIN number locations. So just on the right hand side we actually have this here, which is what we call the nameplate, and that says it's a CFMOTO, obviously that's the manufacturer, and then below is our VIN number. Now, as you'll see, this is quite a flimsy sticker and they often come off, especially in weather. So the VIN number is actually stamped into the frame. So if we're just going to turn our handlebars to the left like that, and you just look down the headstock here, and you can actually see the VIN number is stamped into the frame, so it can't actually be wiped off or fall off. So the VIN number is useful if you want to find out the year, like I said, or if you want to order parts for the bike and make sure it's the correct model. I will put a VIN decoder link in the description below. So you just punch in your VIN number there and it will tell you the manufacturing plant and the year of the bike, as well as some other information. So for the engine serial number, that is found on the front of the engine, just down low there, next to the exhaust manifold. And you can see it just stamped in top of that tab there. That is your engine serial number. So there we go, that's the engine serial number and VIN number on a 2022 CFMOTO 650NK. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.